Welcome to my venture. I'm Matt. I like to say that I help you use digital tools to create massive change. I've been a product manager, I've been in sales, I've been in marketing, I've been in operations, I've been in product. So I've seen the sort of full spectrum of what it takes to create massive change. And I like to bucket my sort of service/offerings into three ways. The first would be product, the second would be content, and the third would be community. In terms of product, these are websites, mobile, web applications. Most recently built the Microsoft 365 Freelance Toolkit. This was using Microsoft tools to create a stack that enabled companies and enterprises to manage and hire their freelancers and their freelance programs. From a content perspective, published The Human Cloud with Harper Collins. Also helps, generated articles, generated a lot of marketing type content. And then from a community side is how do we enable digital and remote tools to really grow a thriving community. So the fun side, I like to always sort of bring up some fun facts. And as you'll see, working with me it's pretty relaxed. I sort of understand from a leadership perspective how little time that you have. So I'll make sure that every email you get will be usually no more than 3 sentences. There'll be a link of where to go to look for more. And you'll always know what's happening, what needs to get done, and by when. So a couple of little fun facts I wanted to let you know. So I've lived in 5 countries in the past, or 5 different places in the last 5 years, spanning 2 different countries. I've sort of been in a lot of the hubs. So I was in Boston, San Francisco, Seattle, Singapore. Now in Miami, I like to say I go wherever freelancers need me to. So literally whatever time zone usually. Second fun fact is that I didn't know this, but I was actually filmed in a Chinese Viagra commercial. There was a red carpet in New York City. I walked down it. There was free drinks. All of a sudden, people started surrounding me. They were taking pictures. My Chinese friend told me that in Mandarin, it said that was the Viagra. And then the third thing is I kind of like to think of myself as a giant human golden retriever. So in working with me, like I mentioned, it's going to be relaxed, but I also like to make sure that it's not this giant cutthroat environment, but more of what's it like to hang out with a golden retriever. So that's me. I'm Matt, really excited to potentially collaborate, and thanks for visiting my venture.